News that's coming in from the state of Rajasthan. There are clashes that took place at the Udaipur Palace over feud between the Mewar family head. Now, cousins have been injured. At least 3 people were injured in a clash that broke out in Udaipur. Now, BJP MLA Vishwaraj Singh and his supporters were denied entry into the city palace. Now, the city palace in Udaipur is being managed by his cousin and his uncle, Arvind Singh Mewar. Vishwaraj Mewar was appointed as the head of the erstwhile royal family in Chittorgarh Fort on Monday morning, following the death of his father, Mahendra Singh Mewar, earlier this month. Images that you are seeing on your screens coming in from Udaipur in the state of Rajasthan. BJP MLA Vishwaraj Singh and his supporters were denied entry into the city palace. The city palace is now being managed by his cousin and his uncle. Let's listen into the reactions coming in.
संपत्ति है, सब पारिवारिक संपत्ति है, तो किसी एक सदस्य दूसरे को अंदर नहीं आने दे, वो भी धोख देने के लिए, ये तो कहाँ का कानून है। और जो आप कह रहे हैं, जो भी आप कह रहे हैं, ये समझाने की बात नहीं है, ये तो हक की बात है।
अभी आप देखोगे कि कानून व्यवस्था की स्थिति बिल्कुल नियंत्रण में है और आज सुबह से ही जो हमारे पैलेस के प्रतिनिधि हैं और साथ में समाज के जो प्रतिनिधि हैं उनसे बातचीत चल रही थी और कुछ बातों को लेके सहमति भी बनी है, कुछ बातों को लेके अभी भी जो है वो विवाद है, सहमति नहीं बन पाई है। तो अभी हम लोगों ने प्रशासन ने सबसे रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि प्रशासन इनसे बातचीत कर रहा है और कुछ जो लीगल एक्शन जो भी, क्योंकि जो घटनाएं छोटी मोटी हुई हैं उसको लेकर इनकी बात थी कि कानूनी अपना काम करे, कानून अपनी जो भी कोई एक्टिविटी होनी है पुलिस के प्रशासन की तरफ से वो की जा रही है और अभी बिल्कुल स्थिति सामान्य और लोग यहाँ से निकलने शुरू हो गए।
My colleague Dev Ankur is now joining me on the story. Dev, it's a family feud which has now turned violent and none other than the MLA of the place, BJP MLA Vishwaraj Singh and his supporters were denied entry in the city palace.
Well, it's been a long-standing feud over who is the rightful heir to the erstwhile royal family, who has the right to carry on with the legacy. And Vishwaraj Singh Mewar, who is an MLA of the BJP, his wife is an MP of the BJP. Both of them, Vishwaraj Singh Mewar, after his father passed away on the 10th, he has been, trying to ensure that his supporters have been trying to ensure that he gains access to the city palace. The supporters from the other side, that is of Arvind Singh Mewar, have been on a face-to-face feud with the supporters of Vishwaraj Singh Mewar. So this is a face-to-face a family feud which clearly has spilled out in the open, and supporters from both sides, Aishwarya, have been pelting stones, have been getting allegedly violent in these clashes that have happened, that erupted yesterday. Today, an ultimatum has been given by the supporters of Vishwaraj Singh Mewar to have their demands met with. They have given that ultimatum to the district administration. Time can tell what will happen in the hours to follow, but currently at this point in time, the situation in Udaipur, especially in the places around City Palace, continues to be tense. Aishwarya?
Thank you, Dev, for giving us those details. My colleague Dev Ankur giving us the details. The images that you are seeing are coming in from Udaipur in the state of Rajasthan. A long-standing family feud has now turned violent.